Okay, let's say you know the slope of a line. I tell you the slope of a line. The slope of a line is -2, okay? So it's going down, it's decreasing with a positive change in x. Sounds very nice. Now let's say I give you the point -2, 8, okay? That's a point on the line. And I want you to find the y-intercept, the point at which x is equal to 0 and y has some value other than 0. So we can find this because we know the slope of a line, the line. We know the slope of the line. If we were to decrease, which basically means that if we take a positive step in the x direction, the y is going to decrease by 2. So if we take it, let's say, we go from -2 to 1. Actually, wait. If we go from -2 to -1, that's a positive step in the x. So then 8 will decrease by 2, which means that y will be 6 now. And if we go from -1 to 0, that's another positive step in the x direction. That means y will decrease by 2, so 6 will become 4. And that's the slope that's a y-intercept, because x is 0 and 4 is a non-zero number. That's the point on this graph. That's a point on this graph where x is, or the line intercepts the y-axis line. So if you know the slope, if you're able to figure out the slope, like if you were given a table of points, of coordinate points of a line, you'd be able to figure out the slope and then be able to figure out the intercepts between them on the line. Anyways, stay in school.